Hey guys, I'm Anivesh and you are watching You Entertainment.
So guys, today our team is traveling to Ambarnath, and the reason I chose Ambarnath is because Ambarnath is part of Mumbai Metropolitan Region. The name Ambarnath literally means sky lord.
So guys, here we are at the top of the mountain and yeah, we are kind of having fun. So guys, here we are and it's the only pond we have at the top of this mountain. It's pretty cool, right? And you guys can see there's the helicopter of Big Boss house. I can see Salman Khan there. Fine and clear. Yes. ये देख, पीछे देख, पीछे पीछे पीछे. अब सामने देख, साइड में, ऊपर ऊपर ऊपर. पोज दे. हाँ, मुंह धो उससे. अबे मुंह धो तो सही. हाँ, अबे जोक था वो.